Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce the Litu leather case, model CF-DAX 300 BFG, specially designed for Datalogic 94 ACC 1386, BT26, and Falcon X3 barcode scanner. This premium case combines practicality and elegance, crafted from high-quality leather for outstanding protection, durability, and reliability. Featuring an adjustable strap and sturdy belt loop, it offers secure attachment and versatile carrying options, keeping your radio safe and accessible. With refined craftsmanship and a sleek design, the Litu leather case is the perfect choice for professionals seeking unmatched style and functionality. Thank you for watching.